Welcome to the latest installment of the Indigo Lab. I'm your boy, Chef Radio. Here with me, as always, is King Karan, and we have Nikki Nuggets on the soundtrack. We appreciate you stopping through. Before I go any further, I just want to remind y'all, please like, comment, subscribe. We love any newcomers. We love all the people that have been here rocking with us. I just wanted to say that before we went any further, because without y'all, there is no us. Y'all are motivating us to keep doing this shit. We motivate ourselves too sometimes, most of the time. And this thing helps. Ain't that right?
Yes, sir.
Karan gave me that look like, whatever, nigga. This week, we are making an infused spring roll, shrimp spring rolls at that. Fam, we didn't even think of a name. We're really gonna be spur of the moment when we think about this name for this dish. I got the hiccups and burps and everything. But anyways, infused shrimp spring roll. We appreciate you stopping through here to the Indigo Lab. Let's get to it. All right, so the first step is we're gonna make our infused sauce. We're gonna took about half a cup of peanut butter, maybe a little bit more, maybe 3/4 of a cup. I did half chunky, half smooth, just cause I want my sauce to have a little texture to it. I like that crunch in there. It'll be nice. So we put that in there. I'm gonna add some sriracha. So do 2 tablespoons of sriracha. Tablespoon. All right, well that was more than a tablespoon, but that was rice vinegar. It'll help loosen it up, I guess. Man, I thought there was a little, a little governor in there. Get that mixed around. I'm gonna add some brown sugar to the mix. Sweeten it up a little bit. And then we're gonna add some soy sauce. We're gonna probably add a little bit more soy sauce later, but we'll just see. We'll see how it tastes, because we don't want it to be too salty. Those peanuts are already in there, so we may end up just smoothing it out with a little bit of water. I got that water. This is our beautiful vegetable oil that we infused with some crazy glue shatter. And it's about 39 milligrams per ounce. So we're gonna add maybe just about 1.5 ounces of this. We don't want it to be too crazy, but hey, it's up to you. And if you have a different application, please use it. If you have butter, you wanna just use melted butter or something, cool, do that. I'm gonna add a little water to this. I just want it to be kind of a smooth sauce. So obviously that's not gonna happen with the chunky peanut butter. It's not gonna be silky smooth, but you get what I'm saying. You want it to be a sauce. I don't want it to look like mashed potatoes. There we go. Ooh. Yeah, see? Like I said, man, you just need a nice silky sauce. And if you want to make it spicy, add some chili flakes in there. Add whatever you want to it. You know what I mean? It's a very versatile sauce. This is just, kind of just a baseline. Baseline. Baseline 3. That's all we were looking for. That was Ray Allen. Jesus! All right, so the next step is we're gonna get to our proteins. We're gonna make our proteins and then get to wrapping these things on up. Let's get to it. No, but still. Ooh. I don't know what we, yeah. So next step is our proteins. I'm not gonna bore you with that whole process, but I'm gonna grill our shrimp. Usually they just poach the shrimp like real nice, real delicately, but I don't know, I just feel like grilling it. I want grilled shrimp in my spring roll. So don't judge me, man. Don't judge me, bro. But it's gonna be fire, so we're gonna get to it. I got them here, I seasoned them up real nice with some garlic, salt, pepper, skewered them up. I'm gonna take these babies outside, I'm gonna slap them on the grill real quick, and I'll be right back in the nick of time. Just like global warming is real, y'all. Message to my unborn, protect your neck, wear SPF. I don't know. So we grilled up our shrimp on the grill. They're beautifully done. I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator / freezer for a little bit to cool them off. You want them nice and cold before you put them in your spring rolls. So that's what we're gonna do. After that, we're gonna get to rolling these things up, and I got some special herbs going in there outside of the special herbs that we already used. I don't know why I'm trying to use innuendo on a weed show. Anyways, we got some fly shit coming. All right, we've made it to the final process. We've made it to the rolling stage. Ooh, my rolling got me coughing. So we got our rice paper. We're gonna wet the ends. Let's see if we mess this up or nah. See how many takes this takes. Put that thing down like that. Ooh, these were the special herbs we were talking about. I got a little fresh cannabis foliage going in there just for aesthetic purposes. Won't do anything to you, but it looks cool.
Looks awesome.
Looks awesome, bruh. Just wanted to lay flat. So put our shrimp down, put some mint in there. Nice little mint leaf. Liven it up, liven up the party. Some cilantro. Put some butter lettuce in there. Cover the top. Got green cabbage. Do the swabbage patch. Got some shredded carrot. Red cabbage. Right? We got our vermicelli noodles. Rice noodles, that is. Not just any vermicelli. It's gonna be a thickums. But we might make, you know what I'm saying? I got experience. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing. I guess we should have wetted it some more.
Should have waited. Whoa.
We might have to do this whole takeover again. Good.
Are you good?
So the first one's always gonna be ugly, I guess. It's not even ugly. We lost our leaf though. Look. I'm gonna have to get it together with these next ones. Get it together, chef. Losing our kush. Our spring roll professionals are probably dying laughing like, dog. We're doing another take. I'm not doing this one. All right, so that was sad, but look, man, like you got to start somewhere. You got to crawl before you walk. These next ones are gonna look better, I promise. But I got to work faster too. All right. You're not gonna, you would not defeat me. Damn. Long ass noodle. All right. Now we playing the game I know. Now we playing the game I know. Or not. It looks better than the first. Suck my dick. Sorry about that. I need to say that. Here we go. Yeah, that first one was just a test run, I guess. Come here. Get over here. Oh, shit. Hmm? Yes, sir. Ooh. With this little fillet of salmon in there. Little fillet of fish. Literally. Mm-hmm. Here we go. Damn it. It's like your first time rolling the backwood. You don't really know what you're doing. Yeah, the niggas that really smoke backwoods is just like, man, this dude just messing it all up. So the leaf thing really isn't working like I thought, but hey. Last one. And I'm gonna make some stew or something with this cabbage. Cause I got all this, got all this cabbage. I'm gonna be eating like, oh man. You want some of this stewed cabbage, Jesse? Earlene, she made it last night. She made way too much. If I don't get rid of it, I'm gonna be eating it for a month and a half. Help me out, please. Please. I don't know who told her she could cook, but she can't. Jesse, listen to me. Could be. You forgot about me. El perro. El perro. All right. It's gonna take some cinematic magic from King Karan, but I think he's up to the task. We have 4 beautiful spring rolls, and we're gonna plate these bitches up. Check me out. Oh, and there we have it. Infused grilled shrimp spring rolls. We are aptly naming these after Mr. Juntao. Shout out Chris Tucker. And, I don't know, brush hour and shit. I seen Chris Tucker on the sidelines of the finals, and I was like, damn, he getting money still, boy. Woo! Anyways, we appreciate you stopping here through to the Indigo Lab each and every week. Please like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate newcomers, everybody continuing to stop through and support us. We love you. Catch us every Thursday. We're trying to get back on a more consistent basis. Our bad. Life is getting in the way. But just know it's happening in a good way for us. That's all we ask. That's all we ask. Till next time.